So, what exactly is a ladybird deed? You probably heard of this, and it can be a genuinely useful tool in estate planning, but it does have its limitations as well. So, ladybird deed is another term for what we call an enhanced life estate deed, and it really gets to name who receives your property when you die while allowing you to keep that property while you're still alive. It's almost like putting a beneficiary right on that deed so that automatically when you die, those beneficiaries or remaindermen will be the title owners without probate and without other issues. What makes it different from an ordinary life estate is that during your lifetime, you still have the same ability to use and enjoy the property exclusively, but you can also change your mind. You can sell the property, you can mortgage it, or you can give it away without having to get the joinder or the consent of the remainder men like you would in a standard life estate type of deed. So there's more flexibility associated with this than some other types with it here. So what's helpful is if you do have living beneficiaries named on there, they can avoid that court process. If unfortunately they're not alive after you pass, then it may not work as intended. And another limitation is that even if it does pass to that surviving individual, you're giving up any kind of controls or protections that you might be able to put in effect, let's say, with a trust that own this property instead. Those individuals are just going to receive that property outright. And if they happen to have creditor problems or other issues where claimants are trying to come after their assets, then this new asset that they've received could be vulnerable something to that. So it is a useful tool. It can be a good substitute if a trust isn't right for you, if there's very limited assets, maybe only including a homestead, let's say. But it's not a cure-all. So you do want to talk to an attorney about your best options, and you can always contact us if you have any questions.